Happy Monday, everyone. It is October 21st, 2021, and I received my Hoya. I believe this is the Hoya rope, Hindu rope. It was supposed to be in a 4-inch pot. Hope you guys had a great weekend. We had a great birthday yesterday and great festivities at my church. But yeah, I uploaded I uploaded. I want to show you guys something I did. I did upload the other unboxings of the Hoya Lee and Hoya. It's Hoya Sammy. I looked it up, but anyway, so you get a Build-A-Bear the prices according to like how old you are. And my son wanted this. He likes Nightmare Before Christmas, and he wanted this little pullover for it, right? This little hoodie. But it read something else. It said like, your worst nightmare. I'm here. Look at what I did. This is now your night. Your night, and then I added little hearts. I don't know, do you guys do that? Decided to do that for my baby. Anyway, I hope you all are having a good Monday. Hope you guys are having a good start to the week. I figured out that I'm going to have to do my intro and my outros and my longer videos downstairs in my office setting. Oh, this is the Obovata Splash. Oh my gosh, this is so much bigger than I expected. Is this the Obovata Splash? This is the Obovata Splash, guys. Look at how big she is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Like, she is a full-grown plant, guys. What? What? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I mean, the picture of this Obovata Splash was literally, this is a 4-inch pot. But she was like 3 leaves and 3 or 4 leaves in the pot. This is a whole plant. Now selling the Hoya Obovata cuttings. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. That's wild. What a pleasant surprise. What a pleasant surprise. I don't know if that's just a very stressed leaf out there, but look at how nice you all. I am just utterly thankful. Look at that. She was wrapped up like this, and I'm unwrapping her. Wow, she's gonna go in a little hanging pot for definite. And this is now gonna be my longest Hoya. My goodness. See, I wanna let you know that when I purchase things, I like to purchase them teeny tiny and then watch their growth and just be so obsessed with the growth and how well you care for it. I'm utterly thankful for this, but I will definitely put her in either on a trellis. What do you think? Yeah, she says trellis. So either on a trellis or on a hanging basket. You like it? Do you like it? I absolutely love it. What a beautiful plant, you all. What a beautiful plant. And I am going to open the other one really quickly. My goodness, I am so thankful. Comes with, I think, like a little sticker. I love these stickers. I'm like a little collection. I'm putting those up on my refrigerator, unsticked, just like a little collection. I put them on my laptop, MacBook, which I'm gonna have to start editing for my MacBook because it is, I don't know about you all, but it's so hard to transfer files from your iPhone to PC, guys. And I have a brand new PC, like I just bought it literally this year. And it is, I don't know if it just, I need a tutorial. Either way, I think I'm just going to start working off my my MacBook. Look at this. This is the Hindu rope. And this is what I thought the Obovata was going to be like. Like this time, because this is how I saw it. And this is so reverse because this is the Hindu rope, and they were showing like a 4-inch pot, kind of like mid-size like this. And I was like, okay, I can do a mid-size, that's fine, because the Hindu rope is a slow grower, but it's so opposite, so the other way around. And this is the Hindu rope. This is, I will say, a replacement for my very first Hoya love. My very first love for Hoyas was that one that I purchased at Mariano's. I'll never forget it. It was like in this glass vase hanging thing, and all of the roots were wrapped around the foam that came inside of it. And it just, you know, I don't know why I potted it, but maybe because I thought it was getting longer. But you know what, guys? I recall I had hung it from my windows here in my south-facing window, and it was doing very well there. So I am going to try again, guys. I am going to give it a try again, and I am hoping for the beautiful flowering that it gave me. And this is the Hindu rope, and you can tell by the leaves, they're very thick and they're like all crunched in really nicely. But I am so in love, guys. I'm so in love. Have yourself a beautiful Monday. Until next time, love your plants and take care of each other. Bye.